The Turtle Beach Stealth 500 connects wirelessly to your Xbox One using Xbox wireless technology, ensuring low latency audio crucial for gaming. To begin, ensure your headset is charged and powered off. Turn on your Xbox One console and sign into your profile. Power on the headset by pressing the power button located on the left ear cup. The Xbox button on the headset should flash white, indicating it's in pairing mode. On your Xbox One controller, press the Xbox button to open the guide. Navigate to Profile and System, then Settings, followed by Devices and Streaming, and finally Accessories. Select Add a Device. Your Turtle Beach Stealth 500 should appear in the list as Turtle Beach Stealth 500. Select it. If prompted for a pairing code, it's typically 0000 or may be auto-detected. Once paired, the Xbox button on the headset will display a solid white light. Test the connection by launching a game with audio to confirm proper functionality. This process usually takes just a minute or two for initial setup. If you encounter issues pairing your Turtle Beach Stealth 500 with your Xbox One, start by resetting the headset. Hold the power button for 10 seconds to perform a complete reset. Next, ensure no other Bluetooth devices are causing interference. Turn off nearby Bluetooth-enabled devices to clear potential signal conflicts. Verify that your Xbox One's firmware is up to date. Navigate to Settings, then System, and select Updates to check for and install any available updates. The headset operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency, which can be affected by Wi-Fi interference. Minimize interference by positioning your console away from routers or other 2.4 GHz devices. For optimal performance, maintain a reasonable distance between your console and headset, ideally within 30 to 40 feet. This helps ensure stable connectivity. If problems persist, consult the Turtle Beach website or Xbox support forums for further assistance and firmware updates. Regularly check for headset firmware updates to ensure longevity and compatibility.